So now we are back in your control panel. And again, this is where you make all your changes. So we've created an article. Now we want the article to show up on the site. How do we do that? I'm going to load our website, runwithdreams.com, and show you how that happens. So on runwithdreams.com, we have home, about us, services, portfolio, testimonials, and contact us. If you notice under services and portfolio, we also have drop down menus, and we will also talk about that. So in here, let's go back to the article manager. We created an article called article title, and that was just a test. So now we want article title to show up on our actual site. How do we do that? Let's go back to a control panel. From your control panel, above your add new article, you should see your top menu. Click on that, and here is where you assign your articles to menus. So let's click on new. This is creating a new menu item. Articles and article layout. And then we title the article, let's title it test. And then you have to select the article, and in this case we're going to select article title, and you save. Now we see in our menus, we see home, about us, services, portfolio, testimonials, contact us, and test, which we just created. So now if we go back to the website and refresh the page, there's the test right there. And if you click on it, you'll see article title, type of text, and the image we put. Just that easy. So if you decide, I really don't like that menu there, you can do two things. You can either delete it by selecting and clicking trash, or you can just click the check mark, and it will change the check mark to a red X, meaning it's no longer published. And so even though it's there, if you refresh the site, it's no longer there. So you have home, about us, services, portfolio, testimonials, and contact us. No more test. So you can go ahead and delete it if you feel you will never use it again. I usually just unpublish because you never know when you'll want to republish it. And if you delete it, you have to go through the process again. But if you just unpublish, you can click on it and it'll be published again. And so that's creating a menu item. Let's create a drop down menu. So we have home, about us, services has a drop down. So we're going to create new article, article layout, and then we're going to name it. Let's name it test drop down. Again, we select the article, and we'll choose article title again. Now in the previous one we just saved. In this one we want to select a parent item. So in this case, let's select about us, and then we click save. So now if you go back to the website and we refresh it, when you hover over about us, there's that test drop down. So about us is the parent item, and test drop down is what we created. If If we move to the right, services is the parent item, and all these are menu items. Portfolio, the same thing. So let's go back and click test drop down, and let's see how easy it is to rename. Let's make it test drop down 1 and save. And when we refresh the site, before it said test drop down, now it says test drop down 1. So that just shows you that whatever changes you make on the back end, the results are immediate on the front end. And that is how you add a menu.